And the third pillar is where you actually determine what's costing you time or quality, and then asking whether AI is the right tool. So at the curious stage, maybe just pick a task and try it with an AI tool. You can explore Claude, it's free, or you can go with any other AI tool of your choice. The main goal is to develop an intuition for what these tools can do and cannot do. As you mature, you can run discovery workshops with different departments within the organization and then start scoring use cases by impact and effort. The discovery workshops will help with piloting because they would likely result in a decent backlog of use cases, and the impact effort matrix will help you narrow down to the key use cases that you want to start with. For these identified use cases, you can start defining success metrics before you actually build and pilot. And eventually, you can measure ROI across what is live. We think a quick win here could be one or two tasks that can be stress tested: report writing, donor communication, data summaries, or something else that's more concrete. And then eventually you'll reach a point where you feel a bit more confident in identifying the right use cases. And while we think an organization in a leading stage will be able to share and create use cases with their peers in the sector, we invite you to join our peer learning groups as well, where you can already start brainstorming these irrespective of what stage you're at.
Awesome. And to underscore a couple things, one, even if you're just at the curious stage, still make sure you're thinking about security and privacy as principles here. Just because you're using a free tool doesn't mean that that data is going to be safe. So be really thoughtful before you're bringing anything sensitive or confidential into a free tool in particular. Just as a quick flag. And then I want to underscore the point around ROI measurement. This is really key for learning, right? And starting to help make the case for further AI adoption and seeing, where do we get value, where maybe do we not get the expected value. So really important to measure the actual ROI, and we can share more about what that looks like as well. This is a resource just if as an example. You don't have to be super elaborate with backlogging your use cases, but having even just a Google sheet like this one or an Excel spreadsheet like this that you can bring different ideas and different use cases into, where you're tracking the categories, you're scoring them in terms of their impact, effort, priority. You could track the status of them over time. Doing this in a shared way where it's visible across the different stakeholders who care about AI adoption in the organization. This is a great way, a great stepping stone to being more and more ready and getting better AI adoption across the organization.